Hey there, taking a quick look at this power tool organizer. Going to do a little unboxing here and see what we've got. This is a super nice plug and play product for the shop. I'm really impressed with it. So right out of the box, we basically have 4 main components here. You've got your tool hanger component and then your shelf component. They kind of have this design so that the two go on top of each other, but you could use these wherever you wanted all over the shop, and there's really just a lot of versatility with this. I also like that with the way this shelf is built, you can set tools up here and sawdust is not going to accumulate on top of it. However, if I did want to make this a solid shelf so that small parts wouldn't fall through, it's got this nice flange all the way around, so I could easily cut out a piece of 1/4-inch plywood or masonite, whatever, and just set it in there and have a solid shelf the whole way around as well. So nice welds on everything. They feel nice and strong. 3 mounting brackets on the back here gives good mounting options. There are also on this piece on the back side here holes. You could drop screwdrivers, drill bits, etc. down through those to hang those there. And then on the hanger aspect itself, works really well. I'm testing this with my DeWalt tools. Fits in there really well. But the thing is, this is not just limited to drills. You could actually hang a lot of different tools on this. I can even fit my jigsaw on there, just grabbing stuff from underneath my workbench. Even my, my cordless blower will fit in there. So really a great option. I'm looking forward to throwing these on the wall and seeing what I can do with them. They do also include these hooks as well as fasteners for hanging these. These hooks, they've got hanging off of the sides of the unit. So, I mean, you could hang all kinds of stuff, but they basically just go through the side like that, and then you can hang whatever you want on there. So, really nice kit. Lots of versatility. I would definitely recommend this as a plug and play option. The powder coated finish is excellent on this, and I can buy this type of thing for a whole lot cheaper than I can make it myself in the shop.